Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim. Viewers, the Chinese qipao is very famous costume of the female, and it is the traditional costume of the females. And for this thing, Chinese arrange many kind of seminars and conferences to promote their cultural dress. So today we are also in the opening ceremony of one global qipao exhibition, the Chinese female costume exhibition, and today we will explore this and we will share with you from many countries they have stitched the Chinese qipao. So let's explore. Viewers know I am in the exhibition gallery, and around me you can watch there are so many traditional dresses on the statues. And these dresses are designed and stitched by not only from the Chinese but also the designers from all over the world. And these dresses, they have the style, the Chinese qipao style, but the foreigner designers, they also give some their own country ideas and their styles in it. So they here you can see many kind of different qipaos from the different countries and the different designers. So we will show you one by one here. Viewers, here you can see these qipao. These are designed from the Singaporean designer, and you see this look like the Chinese style dress, but the design, the fabric, the style is from the Singaporean designer, and it gives the one presentation of the Singapore. Viewers, this qipao is designed from one Japanese designer. And Japanese always like the simple dress, means the simplicity is the real beauty. So they use some kind of net fabric, and they make this qipao with the many layers. And one is the internal silky fabric, and the upper part is with the net like fabric. So this is very beautiful and simple qipao. Viewers, the slim ladies are the most prominent ladies in the Korea. So this one is the Korean style qipao, and one Korean designer, and you can see the smartness of this dress. So you can imagine very slim and smart lady will wear, and this is very beautiful qipao from the Korean designer. Viewers, here is a very beautiful and embroidered qipao, and this is designed by the Uzbek designer. And this is one kind of the wedding dress style, and they use the Bukhara embroidery on it, especially this gold Bukhara embroidery, and this is famous for the Uzbekistan, and this style is the Uzbek style of the qipao. Viewers, this qipao with one upper shirt and one inner, this is designed from one designer from Afghanistan. And this is the Kabul style, and the Afghan people, they like the handwork on the fabric, and you can see here very clearly they use a special kind of beads and the stones to make the design on this qipao. Viewers, this qipao is the qipao designed from one Indian designer, and you can see the Indian, they also like to wear the sari, and this style on the qipao, this give one presentation of the sari. And also there is the embroidered work in the Indian subcontinent. The embroidered work is too famous. You see, this is the external embroidery, they make some kind of flowers and then stitch on the fabric. So this qipao is designed from the India. Viewers, these two qipao are designed from the Pakistani designer as well as by me. So here you can see, first I want to share with you here the master Waris Ali, Pakistani designer, and he stitched this. He was a tailor, and the design idea from me, the Asim Mushtaq. And I want to share with you in these qipao, this qipao, the fabric is used the zari fabric. And the zari is the fabric that was very famous in the time of the Mughal emperors, and they want this kind of fabric for their queens. And zari was very famous at that time. And this glass work on the fabric is also one of the tradition of the Indian subcontinental area, and this glass work, they like it, and this is one kind of the traditional design. Here you can see this qipao is made by the silk mixed with the polyester fabric, and it has the embroidery inside it, and also this is a brocade type fabric. Yes, brocade means inside is the design, and on it you can see there is the floral golden embroidery, and this is also one tradition of the Indian subcontinent. So they like the external embroidery by the golden thread, and this golden thread, even in the history, it is very famous, the embroidery by the golden thread. Viewers, these colorful chi pao are designed from one Vietnamese designer, and his name is the Bac Dat Din, and this designer is the one of the representative of the young generation, and he always designs some kind of chi pao that give the some young generation touch, the new style and the new ideas. I want to share with you this chi pao is actually presenting one phoenix style. Phoenix is a very luxurious bird, and you see these are the like the wings of the phoenix, this thing. And in the other chi pao, I want to show you, this is also the silk fabric, and here the presentation is the dragon, and the dragon is also very famous animal in the China. Viewers, these colorful and the beautiful chi pao are designed by the very famous Professor Jimmy Choo, and he is the world famous designer. Even the Queen, British Queen Diana, she liked his brand, and this thing give the one presentation of the traditional Malaysian Songket textile. And you see here is one upper top shirt with the bottom skirt, and it has a lot of heavy embroidered work on it with different kind of pearls and the golden thread, and very heavy work on it. This one is also same by the same designer, and here is you can see the top with a skirt, and on the skirt you can see there is the phoenix bird style, and this phoenix is also designed by the pearl and the golden thread embroidery, different kind of, and this dress look very heavy and very functional dress. Viewers, I also want to share with you this red dress with the bird pattern, two birds looking towards each other. Actually, this one is the one of the marriage dress, and the presentation of these two birds looking towards each other is giving the one theme that or one, you can say, the one kind of wish for the happiness throughout the life. Viewers, this chi pao is designed from the Bhutan designer, and here you can see the traditional style of the shawl on it. You see this small shawl, the female is wearing one small shawl. This is the Chinese chi pao, but there is the traditional touch as I described before. The Bhutan designer has designed this thing, and the fabric is very heavy and the thick fabric, and it has the embroidery on it, and even though for the shirt they use the brocade fabric. Viewers, Chinese are actually the producer of the chi pao, because chi pao is the Chinese traditional dress, and along my this side these all chi pao are designed from the Chinese designer. The real chi pao design is like that. This is very slim and the skin fit shirt with these cross buttons and the open from the both sides. This is the real style of the chi pao. The design on it, that depends upon the choice of the designer, and they give the various kind of ideas also. You can see here is one kind of the chi pao, and they have some kind of the thread designer designing, as well as some kind of the fabric, external fabric flower they make on this chi pao. Here you can see behind me this chi pao is with one long shawl on one shoulder, and also the designing or the embroidery is done by the thread on the fabric, and this design is giving some kind of the tree like look, means without leaf, the autumn tree, there is the autumn tree look there. Here is also the chi pao designed from the Chinese designer. You see same style, same cutting, but there is the external work by using some kind of the net and the thin fabric to make one flower on it. You can see this is very beautiful chi pao, and from here you can see this is giving one look of the nature and the greenery, and like the mountains and the trees, very beautiful this thing. And they use some special kind of threads to make this kind of 3D printing on it. And here this chi pao is also, this is by the one thick fabric, the black thread, thick black thread. They make one kind of design on it. This chi pao is designed by the small pieces, means they cut the pieces into to make one pattern, and then they make this chi pao. You can see here a different shape of the pieces of the fabric, and they join them and to design this chi pao. This chi pao is designed by the printed fabric, yellow and the blue flower printing. And you see there is the blue flower, rose flower, and the butterflies, and this pattern is printed in the fabric. Viewers, this chi pao you can see, this is one kind of winter variant of the chi pao, and this is made by very thick and heavy fabric. Viewers, this chi pao is designed like the party dress, and by looking at it, there is the style of like often female use the laces for the decoration on their fabric. So this full chi pao you can see it look like that made by the laces, and this is one kind of party chi pao. Viewers, in China females like to wear the short skirts and the short dresses. So these chi pao are designed for the young generation or in the modern style with the short shirt. So you can see the black color and the pink color, and they design it with the modern touch. Because this chi pao has very different design. In the modern time, you know, nowadays the people like to wear the hoodie. Even I have the coat with the hoodie. So they make this chi pao with one hoodie. So this is made by the silk, the white plain silk, very beautiful chi pao, and this is designed by the Chinese designer. Viewers, this chi pao is designed by the La Femme, and La Femme is the brand that is the one blend of East and West. You can see this is giving the short chi pao is giving one touch of the West culture, and the style of the chi pao is the East culture. So this is one kind of blend of the East and the West, and this is really very colorful and very beautiful with the small beads on it, and they are embroidered on this fabric. Viewers, behind me you can see this is the real style of the chi pao designed by the Chinese, and they used different kind of fabric. Some are the thick fabric, some are the silky fabric, and the polyester mixed fabric, and with the embroidery, with the thread work, with the hand work, and many kind of designs you can see from here. And there is the dragon pattern on it, and also the floral pattern on it, and we have also shown you in the video that they also use the phoenix bird. So this kind of the animal motifs are also be presented by the Chinese chi pao. Viewers, here you can see these are the one kind of the traditional style of chi pao, and in this chi pao there is the one thing, these are not so much skin fit, because in the history the people don't use so much skin fit clothes, and you can also see here there is not so much hand work or the embroidery on it. They use some kind of the simple fabric with brocade and some kind of designs inside, and very simple stitching and the simple cutting for the simple traditional females. Viewers, today we have shown you the cultural exchange presentation of the different areas of the world. Many designers of the world, they join together and they come to one platform to give the traditional style, and there also country style mixed together, and they make the Chinese chi pao. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.